Oh, and you got my fingers caught. Hey guys, welcome back to Louis Dutton Vlogs, and in today's video we're actually it's going to be something sort of quite different. It's definitely going to be included in the mini bikes. As you can probably tell from the title, or if you've clicked on this video, you'll be able to tell we are going to be doing a BB or Airsoft war, whatever you like to call it. BB Airsoft war on the pit bikes. I've gone through YouTube and I haven't actually seen anybody do this. So hopefully this is going to be quite a cool video. It's going to be me and Alex having an airsoft war, not with a big airsoft guns though, not these big powerful ones, because they're a bit hard to ride around and shoot each other with. So we're going to be using the pistols. So yeah, there's not much really you can say. Hopefully it's going to be great fun. I've got the GoPro. We're going to head over to Elliot's now and get another GoPro so we can stick them on each other, ride around, have a blast in the garden, having a BB war, because we're actually stuck in lockdown at the moment on this whole big thing. I can't really say. I'm not so sure if I can say it on YouTube, because I heard in Will and E's video you can't actually say it. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing in today's video. So yeah, let's go. At first we need to go to Elliot's and get a spare GoPro. And the bikes I've actually picked to ride today is Alex is going to be riding his 2020 Crf 110, where he's just recently done all up. Got the Pro Circuit pipe on it, black wheels and all little trick stuff done to it. And the bike I'm going to be riding today is actually going to be my brand new 2020 Crf 125. So yeah, this is the bike I'm going to be riding in today's video. We're actually currently building a brand new backyard pit bike track, so you might see down there everywhere's all muddy and stuff. But yeah, I was just telling you guys no, so you'll be like, oh look, the track's all gone. But I have just realised actually, you can now comment on my YouTube videos recently, on my last video. You haven't been able to do that in ages, so make sure you do comment down below and tell me if it's working or not. And yeah, so we've just got back from Elliot's. Thankfully gave us a GoPro to use. We're just on FaceTime to James at the moment. They're talking in there. I think James might come up in a bit, I think, to help us with the video. So yeah, just got the GoPro set up now on the headpiece. Got the gun ready, just need to load it up with some ammo. So I think we are all ready now. James is just about to turn up now. Got my shoes on, GoPro's all ready, guns all loaded, all the guns are ready. Head out, get the goggles on, and I think it's time for the war to begin. But we need to go through some rules, so I'll do that when Alex is in. So I do actually want a bit of protection, so I'll put this woolly hat on with some goggles. I'm going to be using these ones, my 100%, because I don't mind if they smash and don't really want to be mucking up my Ravens. Getting all the lens bad. Why isn't it focusing? Oh no, it has. Put the hood on. Hopefully this works. What should we put on first? Yeah, GoPro angle. So this is what I'm going to be looking like. Oh, oh, what a good look this is. I think James is going to be here in a minute, so we'll be getting ready to head off. Let's go through the rules actually first. Alex, so let's get in here and do it. Right, so Alex, the rules of the game are, we've both got a bike. We're not allowed to steal each other's bike. We're not allowed to take the keys. Not allowed to move each other's bikes. Keep them in the same position. Then after that, if you get shot once, it's the end of the round. So we're not letting you shoot each other twice or whatever. If you get shot, the round's over. And yeah. So I think they're the only rules we need to go through really. Obviously if somebody's really close, don't shoot them. Just say, yeah, I'm out. You have to surrender or something if you have been cornered. You are allowed to surrender. And I think that's all the rules we're going to need to explain. So let's get into the game. Alex is moaning and saying we should be able to shoot them if we get close enough, because we might be able to sneak up on them. So, right then, let's do that rule.
So if we sneak up on them, you can shoot them, and
yeah,
if they see you, they can surrender or take the shot.
Yeah.
I need to get my gloves on.
Here. Should we start? Yeah, then I'll start in the pit then.
I'll start. Yeah, right.
Alright. I guess this is where we start. And that's us off. Right, I really do not know where to hide.
I'm gonna go to him. I ain't messing about, guys.
I can't get my gun out, can't get my gun out. Right, so he's down there. We are allowed to get off the bikes and stuff, but James, I think, is coming in a bit, so we just have to wait for him. But me and Alex are going to do our round first. I put myself right at the bottom so you can obviously see me wherever I am. What's that? What is that on my bike? I've got barbed wire stuck. Oh no! Oh, quick, 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 quick. There he is! There he is! Hide, hide! Oh, I missed! Actually a lot scarier than I thought, but I don't know where I can hide. I've got my full face open so you can get me right in the nozzle. Where do I hide? Where can I hide? I'm off in the golf buggy.
I'm getting the bike ready so I can just dip.
Right, I found myself in quite a good spot up here. I can see him through this little gate hole. And plus he'll... Oh no, the dogs are barking. Got you! Got you!
He didn't!
Right, I really don't know where to hide. He's proper squared me off. Oh, that ladder's broke. Oh, hit!
Did I get you?
Yeah, got off the finger.
Oh, hey!
I was so close. Did you know where I've been?
Huh? Yeah, I saw you going around.
Oh, first round was swimming. That was 17 minutes long, that game. First round to Alex.
I won.
So James has just turned up now. It is now James's go to be against Alex. He'll be riding my CRF 110, no 125. So hopefully I'll be running around trying to get some footage of them running around shooting each other while they're all riding. So yeah. But James will be on his Diamond Minis 110. So as soon as I rev this bike, it means go time. We're down here viewing it, me and Hazel, but Alex is up there getting ready to go. So let's rev it and start the game.
Just wait for them to sound on the bike. If I win this, I win it all. There we go.
And don't know if they maybe come through here. Oh, here's Alex. He doesn't know where to go. I think Jason's already got Alex. Did you get hit? He got me. Alex is already lost. Wait, is that filming?
You stay down, you stay on the paddock.
Might get sneaky this time. I think the match is starting. Unless he has a similar technique.
Right, so hopefully the GoPro's in the right angle, but I think I've got a quite comfortable spot. But I'm on the 110, and from the looks of it, it's got a bit of a flat tyre. I don't know where he's gone though. Did I get you? Yes!
Ah, you little bugger! Yeah!
I think my arms bleed. Huh?
Wait, did you know where I was?
Yeah.
Where?
Down that bush.
I was in between the jumps.
Sorry, Alex is 110, but I had to ditch you there. But I have won that round. Funny enough, we've all won a round each now, so... Well, I think Alex has just filmed all of that in time-lapse mode. Let's camera time-lapse mode. But I did actually win that. And now it's me versus Alex. Now me versus Alex. And hopefully,
Pass it.
I can actually win now. So, Alex, you ready? I'm going to be riding James's KLX. Alex is now ready. Let's go.
Well, I'm starting down here.
I think the game has started now. Hey! I'm winning! No, it's me and James. Now Alex is out, now it's me and James. Well, Alex has managed to lose a magazine now for the gun, for the other gun. So, at the moment we actually haven't got a gun to use. We've got one, but it's just not the other one. So they're off to find it.
You're taking the pass.
No, we're not. James, I've just lost a mag for this. We've lost a mag now for both of these guns. We're gonna have to order some new guns. Now this is all over, me and James drew. Alex definitely lost.
Yeah.
I won actually. So.
I think we have to do a part 2 when we get better guns. I think we should use the fully automatic guns and yeah, have a proper battle. Like and comment down below if you want part 2. Apart from that, do you want to ride some of the new track?
Let's do this!
Let's ride some of the new track. So now we're finished with that. I think it's time now to go riding down on that track. and ride the new track actually. Yeah, we'll just show you a bit of the track, a couple of clips. We haven't actually finished the build on it yet, so yeah. So we're off now riding, all kitted up, and got all of our kit on. I think this is going to be our first ride together this year, isn't it?
Ah, well indeed.
Indeedy. Let's go.
Guys, look how bad James' helmet looks.
Who's that? Before we actually ride some of these jumps, they need to be patted down properly, as they've just been freshly built and haven't been actually proper patted down with the digger yet. As you see here, the tyre just went straight through it, so we need to do that right now. So nobody's actually hitting it at the moment, so I'm going to have a go, try to hit it, and yeah, I'll get it on GoPro, but I won't be filming the first couple of clips, so yeah. Alex has been hitting this jump here, and it's pretty big, but we're trying to get James hit, I think. Look. Oh, battery, my camera's about to die. Right, so my camera has actually gone flat, as I was just saying just then, but now we'll see if he can hit it. Done it. Woo! See if Alex can do it. Well, he has been doing it. Oh! God, that's big. We've just been trying to learn how to jump it on the 110. I got it a couple of times and hooked up a bit on the first couple. Yeah, might try to get Hayes to film some. So, it is now the next day, and I really hope you've enjoyed today's video, guys. Hopefully we'll be able to get some more videos out during this whole isolation thing, as we're actually not really up to much. So yeah, really hope you enjoyed today's vlog, guys. Remember, keep ripping, keep riding, and there'll be a special guest called Lily coming very soon. So yeah,